Welcome back to Sector K240. Let's go through some bug fixes and minor modifications. I fixed a bug related to the Powerplant code that causes asteroids to slowly disappear from every discovered asteroid. Here you can see the power generation code for the power plants. It runs on Astros. So one Astros is subtracted every 4 days. Here. And then it produces 32 megawatts of power, calculated here by doing an arithmetic shift left 5 places. The problem is that the game never actually checks to see if you have any power plants. So Astros is drained from the asteroid even if you never built a power plant. You can easily see this for yourself by starting a new game and checking the geological report. You will see that one Astros is being drained every 4 days from the very beginning of the game without having mines or anything. I plugged this leak here by writing a check for power plants. Here. I have also modified the power plant so that it functions more in line with the description in the in the instruction manual. For example, it says that the power plant is supposed to produce 8 megawatts of power in the absence of Astros. So I added that. Here. I also made it possible for the power plants to draw Astros from the stores after the asteroid itself has run out of it. Put that here. So now there is no Astros drain because there are no power plants. Then we wait 4 days. And there it goes. Next, I swapped the prices for the plasma cannon and the photon cannon hardpoints. I know the manual says that the plasma cannon is the most powerful ship-to-ship weapon, so it makes sense that it should cost the most. But the manual is wrong in this case. if you look at the code, you will see that the photon cannon is actually stronger than the plasma cannon. Here. This is true also for alien weapons, and is consistent with how ground turrets work. Photon beats plasma. So I swapped the prices here. The last change I want to mention has to do with the warp generator hardpoint. When alien ships are equipped with this, it seems to do nothing, because the code for its function is missing. So I added that here. I have not tested this fully, so it's possible that there's a good reason for why aliens should not be able to use the warp generator, even though their ships sometimes are equipped with it. Special thanks to Tetracorp for providing the disassembly, along with many of the notes shown.